Are late deliveries, stock mismatches, and warehouse chaos slowing down your business? Because managing operations on Excel and manual processes isn't just outdated, it's holding you back. But what if one powerful system could take complete control of your warehouse and turn chaos into clarity? Introducing ASSORT WMS by Wezoid, a smart, centralized platform that manages everything from inbound to outbound with speed, accuracy, and real-time visibility. So instead of switching between tools, you get automation, control, and data-driven decisions, all in one place. Let's break it down. Inventory management gives you real-time stock visibility, so you always know what you have and when to reorder. Receiving and putaway streamlines inbound goods and assigns them to the right locations for maximum space use. With SKU Master, all product data, barcodes, and specifications are centralized, creating a single source of truth. QC and verification ensures every item is checked before storage or dispatch, reducing errors and returns. Work order management keeps tasks organized, while picking and packing helps your team locate, verify, and prepare orders faster. Then, shipping management and order fulfillment work together to ensure accurate, on-time deliveries across all channels. Returns management simplifies exchanges and refunds, while vendor management helps you track suppliers and inbound schedules easily. At the same time, labor management gives real-time productivity insights, helping you optimize your workforce. With stock transfer, you can move inventory across locations without losing visibility. And for complete control, audit and remote audit ensure transparency and compliance. Finally, reporting and analytics deliver real-time insights, so you can make faster, smarter decisions. The result? Faster dispatch, fewer errors, lower costs, and better customer satisfaction. Whether you're in e-commerce, manufacturing, retail, or 3PL, ASSORT is built to scale with you. Because today, your warehouse isn't just storage, it's your growth engine. And ASSORT WMS turns that engine into a high-performance system. So if you're ready to eliminate chaos and scale with confidence, contact Wezoid today for a demo and experience smart warehousing in action.